What's going on, you guys? I hope y'all are having a great day. Today we're gonna be doing some mods to the DRZ. So as you guys know, the DRZ comes with Renthal Fat Bars from the factory. You can even see the ignition is built into the clamp. So that's a pretty cool feature. I'm not sure what style bend these are, but it's not for me. Then I was looking over here on the old trusty 250L and I was like, man, I never really cared for the gold on this bike anyways. These are the CR high bend and I fell in love with them. It's perfect for my long lanky arms. So I was looking at this thing and I was like, man, with the gold, that's gonna be perfect. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna swap these bars out, say goodbye to the gold on the 250L. I think it'll look much nicer on this. So without further ado, let's get these things swapped out. Diesel, shut the f up. I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to tell on camera, but it is quite a big difference. But that color though, will be fresh. It's gonna be a bastard. I actually swapped these handlebars over like the first couple days I had the bike, and it's been like over 2 months now, so I've really got a chance to feel them out and see how I like them. And like I said in the video earlier, I love them on the 250L and I love them on this bike. The CR high bend just really works for me. And I said that it was perfect for my long lanky arms, but I feel like these are geared for people with short arms because it brings the bars higher and closer to you. But for me, especially like on a street bike, I like to sit back a little bit and relax. So with these, I felt like I wasn't leaning over the tank as much, and I really enjoy that. They feel super good with wheelies too. So I have no regrets at all, and I absolutely love them. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to pick yourself up a pair of CR highs. I always use Pro Taper pillow tops. These are the slim version, which gives you a better feel of the handlebars, and I really like that. So I'll leave a link to those down below as well. I always use clear spray paint to put my grips on. It's always worked perfectly. It doesn't leave a mess, and it holds up pretty good. There might have been like one time where they came loose, but it takes 2 seconds to twist it off, put some more on. I've never used grip glue personally, and I've just heard horror stories, and it just makes such a mess. But I don't want to end this video without any riding, so I'll go ahead and insert some riding clips right now. What's up, G? How you doing?
Hey, I suppose you're wearing long sleeves.
I'm white, bro. I'm too white.
Well, Zach's down to meet with us later, so.
Sounds good. Uh-oh. They're after us already.
Probably heard you coming.
This thing's obnoxious.
So what are you planning on doing with the exhaust?
Well, I read that the Q4 is the exact same internals. It just has a different silencer, so I'm gonna try to order the quiet core insert, and it just sticks right into the end of this. Okay. And it sounds pretty much exactly the same. It's not as loud as idle and cruising. Like, it's not as loud, but as soon as you get into it, they say it's pretty much the same, so that'll be all right.
Oh yeah.
Just a little bit more police friendly. I should probably check my oil. I heard these things burn oil. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this oil system. All right, mate. I do. I want something lighter eventually. Honestly, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It hasn't bothered me too much, but I definitely want a 450 someday. Gotta try it. I just love how bulletproof these are. You don't have to do all the bullshit maintenance. Yeah, minus the whack oil changes, but I can deal with that. Just never change it. Oh, combos in traffic. Ew. Oh no, that's a tragedy. No! Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Damn, son. Yeah, buddy. What tire pressure you at? I've been running like 18. My Grom's got like 5. Smell the kush in the air, motherfucker. Blowing down that reefer. These kids on these damn dirt bikes. I got a real boy bike. Oh, dude. There you go, Alex. What's up, Jody? Pope, 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 pope. Dude, they're bike cops too. Dude, at first glance, anybody would think that's a chick. Already had them 28s on there, man. You had to swerve the lane. Oh, what the fuck was that? All right. Yeah, I took my dad's Porsche out today. It's pretty nice. He lets me have it if I get good grades. Oh, Jesus. There you go, blue hair, dude. That's all you. Had to do it. He's like, yeah, I know what y'all doing. My sphincter's getting sore. We need to do something. Clay says you're so cute and tiny. How's the service here, bro?
Not good.
All right, boys, who's got it? Zach, I saw you drifting. I was like, no. I wasn't gonna say anything because I didn't want to f you up, and I was like, oh. Well, you guys out here pulling up at bike night on the hogs? Dude, I'll give you 20 bucks if you just lay a burnout right now. I'm gonna follow him. I'm gonna follow him. I'm gonna bomb your selfie. Dude, I'll take the pink hog. Dude, I don't run 93 in anything. Check me out, 87. She gonna be popping tonight. Yeah. God, Zach.
bud?
I'm feeling great, dude.
Looking great, bud.
Afternoon slim.
Afternoon slim.
Slapping cheeks.
What were you doing?
Slapping cheeks, bro.
Columbus hood blotter.
Well, you guys, thank you all for watching. I always have a blast on this bike. Plenty more DRZ content to come. I got a few more little mods to this thing to do. I want to get the FMF header eventually. I got a seat for it and just some little odds and ends. Like I said, I'll probably keep it for a few more months and who knows, things change. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, turn those notifications on, and we will see you in the next video. Still doing the daily uploads, so don't know how long that's going to last. I hope you're enjoying them. Let me know if you do, and I'll see you guys later.
Perfect.